You can literally take this tree about once every 2 weeks, put it in your shower, turn the warm water on and put it like where it's not hitting the water, but where it's steaming like a rainforest, and that will be like a spa day. You guys asked, and I am answering all about Fiddle Leaf Fig care. You can see one behind me. They're one of the most popular indoor plants right now. They create a really nice pop of green and something living in your home, and so for that reason everybody really loves them. But you guys, they're pretty difficult to take care of. It's kind of like succulents. It's like the hardest easy care plant ever. So I wanted to tell you just a few tips maybe that will help you out to help your fiddle leaf fig survive, so you're not buying this nice big tree and just watching it slowly die, because that's not good. Basically, these things grow in rainforests naturally. So if you can imagine the habitat that would be, to try to create that in your own home in a situation where you're drying everything out with heating and air conditioning, it's a pretty tough balance for this tree. So basically, you want to make sure that you're letting it dry out between waterings. I think sometimes we care too much for these type plants. We want to just love them and water them all the time. These plants need to be dry, and when they get to be about an inch of soil, if you stick your finger about an inch down and it's dry, then you can water, and then you can thoroughly water it. Another tip that I've heard, if you really want to be fancy about it, you can literally take this tree about once every 2 weeks, put it in your shower, turn the warm water on and put it like where it's not hitting the water, but where it's steaming like a rainforest, and that will be like a spa day for the fiddle leaf fig. It will love that so much. Otherwise, it needs to be put in a bright spot in your house, not a western facing window, but an east or a south facing window is perfect for the fiddle leaf fig. Make sure that you're watering it. And the last two things. First thing is for you to rotate it as it starts to reach toward the light. You rotate it probably about once a month, so it'll start to straighten out. And the other thing is to make sure that you're keeping the dust off the leaves. Just like you would dust any other thing in your house, you need to dust these big wide leaves because it kind of prevents them from breathing. So you want to make sure that you're keeping them clean. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment below. And if you need a fiddle leaf fig, if you haven't tried it out yet, they have them available right here at Stokely's Garden Center.